Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nebo. This is their CSI. Now Nebo sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. Now there's no user manual in here. We're just going to go over the light output there. As you can see, 250 lumens, 75, does have a strobe, and it does have the red laser. Check the other side here. Runs on 3 AA cells. Alright, so now let's open this up, see what's in. Warranty information is down inside the box, so you want to rip that apart and submit this here for your warranty. And there it is. Now this is unique. This light has both a flashlight and laser all in one. Also has a magnetic tail. And that is pretty strong. The batteries are already inside. Feels good. Now this here is a gray color. They also have it in black. Style and design on this is nice. Does have a red bezel here on there. It's got the clicky there. Can tail stand that if you need to. Machining and finish on this is nice. Nice size. Perfect for EDC. I'll go ahead and remove this off of here. Now this here on the body all goes in one direction, so probably not going to be the best. If it does get wet, it may slide out of your hands if you're wearing gloves. There's a warning letting you know there is a laser in here. Definitely want to use that with care. Alright, so now let's go ahead. I'll take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now I'm not too sure what type of LED is in here. They don't say it anywhere in the literature or their website. Try to get the best picture there for you. Maybe a luminous LED in there. Just a guess. And you can see the red laser in the reflector there. Now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the inside. Contact point there does have a spring behind it. Straight contact point down in the head of the light. because there's a spring loaded here. As you can see, these are the Nebo batteries that are in this. Now it's nice, you can use rechargeable or these alkaline, or you can use one-time use lithium cells, the 1.5 volts. So I think that's what I'm going to use in my test here. So let me go ahead and grab some now. And we'll show you here the battery I'm going to be using are the Energizer. These are the Ultimate Lithium 1.5 volt. These are a lot lighter than the alkaline cells, so if you're looking for something that weighs less, definitely a good option for you. Just like that. It's a battery carrier or a cartridge, whatever you want to call it. Now let's go ahead and get started on the UI. I turn it on here with the tail clicky. Comes on. It's pretty good. Intense hotspot there. It's got a large spill area. Not too much bleeding here either. So it might have some pretty good throw. Now you can half press these to go through the light outputs as well. You got the laser. Half press that again. Once you get to the light output that you want, you can fully press it, or you can simply go through those light outputs. There's strobe, and that is a constant speed. Then we have the laser again, and we got the highest output. Now notice on the lower light output has a little bit of PWM there. Always starts off on high. And that's all there is to this light. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nebo CSI with the laser in it. Let's get started. Highest output there, 35 feet to that water spout. From where I'm standing, it's got a nice spill. 65 feet to that tree there. Tree line. It is on the fence. Beam profile here. Remember, this is only 250 lumens. And it is faintly making across the park. Nice. There it is on the Tree of Life. 138 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. Full of leaves now. The before and after here. Give you an idea. I'll go down to the next level. See how it does. There's the next level. I'll have to see if I'm seeing any PWM on this, but it's still making the tree there, this light level. On this other camera, I'm not seeing any PWM at all. It was on my other camera in the house. So, interesting. Both of these. Well, I am seeing it now a little bit there on the fence. I mean, but it's very light on the camera, as you can see. Still making 65 feet there. All right, let's do the test on the laser. It's going to go through strobe here, strobe warning. All right, there's the laser on the fence, as you can see it. I'm going to try to see, put it on the ground. I don't want to shoot at anybody. There it is on the tree of life. Now I can see it there on this trunk. So I'm going to put it over on the school. Maybe I'll be able to see it. You can see it bouncing around there on the school. So it's got some range on that. See it there, reflecting off. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots on this thing. For 250 lumens, it actually did very well. It's got a good amount of range on there, especially only being 250 lumens. Still a lot of light for a AAA cell light. Now the red laser on this is powerful, so you want to use caution when using it, but it does have an extreme amount of range on it as well. The lower light output is going to give you better run times. Did have some PWM in there, but not seeing it with my eyes. So build quality on this is very good. I'm not seeing any issues there, and it also looks good. Not seeing any issues there. And my understanding is that you can also run an 18350 battery in this, but I have not tried it. I guess you can use a adapter in there, or fabricate one, or use some rubber rings, and it should be able to fill that compartment area easily and be able to run an 18350. So that will give you a little bit more run time. So especially for the price point, it's pretty good performance. Again, a lot of features on this light with that laser there. Never seen one on a light before, so it's pretty cool. Now I want to thank Nebo for sending me this to review. Now if you are interested in getting this light, I'll leave a link to their direct website down in the description area of this video. Also, I'll have a special discount code, 15% off plus free shipping, just in case you might be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Nebo lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.